Alright, so today did a covered call on Restoration Hardware. So they were announcing today. Jim Cramer pointed this earnings out to me, and I invested 100 shares this morning at 117. So obviously it would have been better if I got in last week, but it was risky going in before earnings. But as you can see, it shot up to 143. It's trading at right now. Huge gain. The problem is I did have a covered call. And also look at that RSI. It's got a lot of room to go down, it looks like. Way out of there. So I did a covered call, and that's a covered call at 126. So what that means is I'm not going to be able to keep any of the profits above 126. So my only profits are going to be from 117 to 126. As you can see here, it's a 126 call, and it was a weekly call to take advantage of the quick theta decay. But I had no idea it was going to go up so far past 126. I figured, maybe it was going to expire worthless because the call wouldn't have been exercised. I figured Restoration Hardware might go up to, from 117 up to maybe 123 at the most. So I figured 126 was going to be out of the money. But no, it's in the money now, way in the money. And although I did get a little bit of a premium, that's definitely washed out by the amount of gain. So this is Monday afternoon. We'll find out if it does get exercised this week, but I assume that it will. It's a June 18th expiration. And that's a lesson learned. I'm glad to have a high quality problem like this, but and then we'll see what earnings whispers had said. I wrote that down.